Hey, everyone, John here from Distributor iTech. Today, we're talking about some exciting changes in the education sector, particularly regarding the uniforms of basic school pupils. The Education Minister, Dr. Yaw Osei Adutwum, has unveiled plans to revamp basic education by introducing new uniforms for pupils. Say goodbye to the traditional brown and yellow uniforms, and hello to a fresh new look. We're bringing a wave of transformation to basic education. As part of this initiative, we're changing the uniforms of public basic schools across the country. The familiar yellow and brown uniforms will soon be a thing of the past. But that's not all. Dr. Yaw Adutwum also hinted at a makeover for the appearance of basic schools. Get ready to see a splash of blue and white as we repaint school buildings to create a more inviting and attractive learning environment. The shift to blue and white reflects a commitment to modernize and uplift basic education in Ghana. It's all part of the transformation Ghana deserves, and it's on the horizon. Dr. Yaw Osei Adutwum, while addressing a gathering on the ministry's plans, said the new uniform to be introduced for basic schools is blue and white with black bow ties. Dr. Adutwum made this announcement during an unveiling ceremony presentation at the University of Professional Studies. Dr. Adutwum said, "We are rebranding public schools. No brown and yellow, blue and white, and we are changing the uniforms too. This is President Akufo-Addo and Vice President Mahamudu Bawumia's Ghana. There's no reason why we should not. Ghana deserves better, and we're going to give them better, something that we can all be proud of." Exciting changes lie ahead for basic education in Ghana. Keep tuning in to Distributor iTech for the latest updates on educational reforms and innovations.